How to bypass Netflix household on TV. To bypass the Netflix household restriction on your TV, you can use the workaround like mobile casting. First of all, launch the Netflix application on your mobile device, then proceed to log into your account. Once you've logged in, all you have to do is start any contents within the Netflix application, then tap on that cast icon to beam it into your TV. Or what you can also do is utilize the VPN traffic routing. You simply have to use tools like NordVPN Meshnet or Tailscale. Or what you can also do is use the offline launch hack. You simply have to go to your TV or streaming device settings and completely run off or turn off the Wi-Fi or plug the Ethernet cable. Go to your TV or streaming device settings and completely turn off the Wi-Fi or unplug the Ethernet cable. Now open the Netflix application while completely disconnected from the internet. Now once the offline interface reloads and you are past the restriction block, go back into the TV settings to turn on your Wi-Fi. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.